Hello, in this video we're going to be finding percentages of amounts by using multipliers. So the objective here is to find percentages of amounts by using a multiplier. So the key idea, if we want to find the percentage of an amount, we can multiply by the decimal multiplier. So for example, if we're finding 30% of 42, we write 30% as 0.3 and multiply by the amount. So we would do 42 times 0.3 and that is going to be 12.6. So here's an example. So we are finding 15% of 80. So first thing I'm going to do is convert 15% to a decimal. So to go from a percentage to a decimal, we divide by 100. So that's going to be 0.15. And I'm going to multiply that by 80. And we're going to get 12. This next example, we're finding 30% of 90, so I'm going to write 30% as a decimal, so 30% as a decimal is going to be 0.3, and 90 is £90, so we're doing 0.3 times 90, and that is going to be 27. This example here, we're finding 12% of 250, so we're going to write 12% as a decimal, so that's going to be 0.12, and we're going to times that by 250, and that is going to be 30. In this example, we're finding 2.5% of 320, so I need to find 2.5% as a decimal. So I'm going to divide that by 100, so that's going to be 0.025 this time. So 0.025 times 320, and that is going to be 8. Since it's money, I'm going to put £8 here. This example here, I'm finding 12.5% of 64, so 12.5% as a decimal, if I divide that by 100, that's going to be 0.125, so 0.125 times 64, that's going to give us 8, so it's going to be £8 for that one. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. So here are the answers, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!